Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be going over my Yes4All Tricep Rope review. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are interested in a tricep rope pull down. This is what I ultimately came out with, which is the Yes4All Tricep Rope pull down. It's just like any commercial tricep rope, okay? It feels great. I've been using it for a couple months now. Here you have the rope. Here you have the handles. If you press that around like over here where my pinky is, it feels just fine. Okay, it really does feel just fine. You can slide it to one direction versus slide it to another direction if you want to do a single-handed tricep rope pull down. And so I've been using this for quite some time now, and if you're in the market for a nice black finish tricep rope pull down, this is really going to do the trick for you. I do wish this chrome pattern here wasn't black just to kind of complete my black set, but even so, that's more like a preferential color. But with that being said, let me know if you guys know of a better tricep rope pull down, but I've had no problems with this whatsoever. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.